Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: VS Code, a current Python runtime, and the Python extension. Create a project folder and run Python mvenv. Venv to isolate packages. Once done, open that folder in VS Code, press Ctrl+Shift+P and choose Python. Select interpreter to point at. Venv. This ties the editor to the environment. It ensures linting IntelliSense and run/debug, use the right packages, and prevents global dependency clashes as you code. You now configure VS Code to act like a full IDE. In settings, enable linting and pick black or flake 8 as your formatter so code stays consistent. Next, create a minimal launch. JSON to define how F5 runs your script and tasks. JSON for repeatable build steps. Use the integrated terminal to activate. Venv and pip install R requirements. TXT. Once everything's configured, press F5 to run or step through code. Debugging uses breakpoints and variable viewers to reveal runtime state. You finish by saving workspace settings and adding venv2, git ignore so repos stay clean, commit, vscode configs that help teammates, wire up the test explorer to discover unitist/pytist so tests run from the UI. If something breaks, first check the selected interpreter at the bottom bar. If it's missing, reinstall or reload the Python extension, or manually set Python path in settings. That single check solves most issues. If not, restart VS Code to clear cached extension state before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.